Python Turtle. Turtle is a pre-installed Python library that allows users to create pictures and shapes with a provided virtual canvas. The on-screen pen you use to draw is called the Turtle. First you need to import Python Turtle. Turtle assigned to variable t for easy to use. The desired background color can be set by t.color. T.color can change the color of the pen and t.pen size can change the size of the pen. The drawing point can be moved forward and backward by t.forward and t.backward, and also t.left and t.right can turn left and right. Forwarding 100 pixels and turning 90 degrees to the left and repeat 4 times using while loop can create a square easily. Forwarding 100 pixels and turning 130 degrees to the left and repeat 3 times using while loop can create a triangle. Turtle.circle, and given the radius in the parentheses can create any circle. So then use this knowledge and loops and try to create attractive designs. Good luck.